Keep cool in the heat with Mist On Demand, a modular misting system by Newline, easily attached to awnings or cooling fans on patios and job sites. Your Mist On Demand kit comes complete with 50 feet of tubing, 10 mist nozzles, and all the other items needed to install. You will need basic hand tools and hardware depending on where you are mounting the system. To begin, thread the garden hose adapter, fitting directly onto your hose faucet or at the end of your garden hose. Installing a dual shutoff garden hose Y would allow you to use your faucet without disconnecting the misting system, but is not included. Dual outlet water timers provide a convenient way to automate your watering schedule, also sold separately. Next, route the tubing back from the faucet or hose to the desired structure. Attach a mist nozzle tee to the open end of the tubing and insert push-in plug to seal the system. Use the supplied cable ties or your own hardware to attach the tubing and misters to your structure. Select where to place the next mist nozzle tee. Use the mini tube cutter provided to cut tubing squarely and cleanly. Reconnect the tubing by pushing the cut lengths into either end of the fitting. Ensure the tube is pushed fully into the tube stop for a proper seal. Continue placing mist nozzles along the line until complete. To disengage the tubing from the tee, push in the collet ring fully against the face of the fitting. The tube can now be pulled out. If you would like to cover a wider area, extra tubing is sold separately. However, pressure drop may be a factor over long distances. Your Mist On Demand modular misting system is ready to use. Turn on and enjoy. For more information, visit new-line.com.